Hello everyone, welcome back to ML Science Studio. Today video is on the set operation in a NumPy. What is a set operation? What is a set? A set is a collection of unique element. This means that each element can only appear once in a set. A set are generally written in a curly braces. A set are is immutable means they are can be changed after their creation. Okay. The basic operation of a set operation is a union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. Now create the set operation set. Okay. First import the numpy as np and suppose create a list and convert the set. Okay, my set equal to np on set method provide the return to the set. Okay, print the my set. Yes, a set method is generally written in a curly braces. This is a list and convert into the set. First is a set operation is a union. Union means is a collection of two set element. Do not repeat the element. Okay, duplication is not allowed. Suppose create a array 1 and np dot array suppose 1 2 3 4. Okay, and create a array 2 equal to np dot array 3 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, and now create a new variable and np dot unique function. Okay, np dot union 1d method is a return to the union of two set array 2. Okay, and print the new. This means duplication is not allowed. First is a 1 is a collection of two sets and first is a 1 print 1, second is a 2 and 3 and 3 the array 1 will be present and also will be present in array 2. Okay, it is a duplication is not allowed once at a time. Okay, 3 and 4 is also present in both. Duplication is not allowed. Okay, 3 4 and 5 and 6. Union means duplication is not allowed. Next operation is a intersection. Intersection means is a simple word collects is a common of two set. Okay, now suppose this array and perform the new np dot intersection intersect 1d function is a return the intersection of two element. It means return the common of two element and print the new. Common of element is 3 and 4. Both array are common is 3 and 4. Okay, and next is a symmetric. Next is a difference. The difference is a collection of two element set A and set B. Okay, which are in a present in A and but not in a B. In example, let's suppose create a set difference. Suppose copy this array and set difference method is forward to the set 1D. Okay, and okay, in this example, set difference 1D method is returned to the difference of two sets. In this example, 1 and 2. Okay, because not in a present in a present 1 and 2 present in a but not in a B. Yes, a 1 and 2 is present in A but not is present in B. This is a final answer, because difference means two set, collection of two set which are in A but not in a B. Okay, and symmetric difference. And next is a symmetric difference. A symmetric difference is a collection of two set element, set A and set B, and not a present of both A and B. Means not a present in a both A and B. Okay. Now suppose this create a copy this example and set difference, symmetric difference, set XOR 1D method is returned to the symmetric difference. Means both not a present in a and B. Not a present in a and B. Okay. No, not a present in a or B. 1, 2, not a present of A and B. 1, 2 is not present in a B. Okay. 3, 4 is a present. Yes. And 5 not a present. Symmetric difference is not a present. And 5, 6 is a not a present in a. It is a symmetric difference. Thank you for watching this video.